Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Marianne with Cerise Styles. This video today would be on how I use the Chebe magic to grow my hair faster and longer. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. Earlier this month, I did a video on my 2018 hair goals and the products I'll be taking with me. One of the new products in that list was the Chebe Magic, and today is actually my first time using the Chebe, and I decided to do it on video so I can track my growth as I go. Here is the Chebe Magic powder. I got it from the Chebe Magic website. You can get it from different websites. And this is the raw powder. This is a Chadian hair secret. So how did I get to know this product? Early around like August, I watched this video of the women from Chad applying Chebe to their hair, and their hair looked really long. I'm actually excited to get my hands on it the end of December. You're supposed to use the Chebe. You're supposed to add it in oil and your favorite cream. So I will be mixing it with my favorite cream leave-in conditioner because I plan on leaving it in my hair for 7 days. So you can either sit with the Chebe for a couple of hours or leave it in. Depends on how you use it. I've seen several different ways of using it, but I just plan to use it either in my pre-poo or put it in as a leave-in conditioner for 7 days. So you're supposed to work it into your hair and then braid the hair. Stay tuned to see how I mix the Chebe powder. This is how I mix my Chebe Magic powder. What you need is a bowl, the Chebe powder, obviously. I use my Wild Grow hair oil because I usually have this in my hair, you know, at least twice a week, so I just add it in the Chebe. And my coconut oil. I will be using this mixture with like coconut oil, castor oil. I'm just gonna be altering the oils whenever I use them, so yeah. Almost forgot my favorite leave-in conditioner, which is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner. Already mixed Chebe, I will just go ahead and work it into my hair. Keep in mind, I washed my hair like an hour and a half ago and just let it air dry. You're supposed to spray your hair with water, so you start with damp hair and continuously like add water to your hair to make it absorb. So but since I washed my hair and my hair is damp right now, I'll just go ahead and work this product in and twist it and let it sit in my hair for 7 days. I realized it was too dry. I just added conditioner again and water. Well, you saw it for yourself. This was kind of a messy process, but I'll try to work with it and see how better I can get it to look. It is visible, so I'm just gonna let it sit and dry for a little bit and cover it up and wear my wigs. I'll be going around with my wigs for 7 days, so I'm gonna see how that process goes. But yeah, this is how I use the Chebe Magic, and I'll keep you updated on this process and my use of the Chebe Magic. I feel so dirty, but anyway, thank you for watching this video. If you do use the Chebe Magic, let me know, and let me know how it works for you. And if you have a better way of using it, comment down below. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day. Bye.